clicked on this video, then you're having issues with your cordless blinds. Now there could be multiple reasons why your blinds are sagging to one side like this. In this video, I'm going to go over 2 of those, with the first being a potential issue with the lift cord. As you can tell from this side, we have a ladder cord that runs on the outsides of the slats, and we have a lift cord that runs down in between all the slats. But on this side, we're missing our lift cord, except for there it is. So we're going to have to fix this. Alright, so to start off, what we're going to have to do is push the slats up that are already connected with the string. And that way it gives us some slack in our string. Then we just start threading it through each slat. One of the things I found is you can usually get it through 2 or 3 slats at a time, and that is with keeping the knot in your string. Of course, you could probably take that knot out and get it through how many ever slats you have, but I wanted to keep the knot in there. That way, if I let loose of it, I didn't have it, come unstrung from every single slat. So, I tried 2, I tried 3, and I really couldn't get it through 4 slats, so I stuck with about 3 at a time. It goes pretty quick, and this is that process. Now, since I had so many slats that came undone, I'm going to go ahead and make my knot bigger. So even after I got my knot done, there's still a little bit of sag on there. So let's take a look at the others to see what's going on. And as you can tell, there's a little plastic clip at the bottom that looks like the strings are kind of tied into, and then the plunger's put in there to hold it into place. So we're going to have to investigate that by taking out the plunger on this other side. Now, there's probably a better way to get this clip out. As you can tell, I just manhandled it and broke it. But let's see if we can still salvage it. And all these other strings popped out of there when I took the clip off, so I want to go ahead and put those back in there. And let's see if this works. Fingers crossed. Got a broken clip. And it actually snaps in there fairly secure, so I think we got it. So if your reason for sagging blinds was a guide string coming out of the clip, then maybe it's this issue where they're just kind of sagging from one side, but everything else is okay. If so, there's a little bit of a trick that you have to use. Basically, you have to push up on one side and pull down on the other, and that'll eventually even them out. And I kind of worked through this process here. I've never done it, but I've seen videos on how to do it. And you kind of just gotta keep working with it, and eventually you'll get them to even up. Just like that. Alright, now we have some straight blinds. If you don't mind, if you watch this video because you had crooked blinds, leave a comment down below and let me know what your issue was. Was it one of the issues I had here, or was it something different? And if you liked the video, please give it a like. Think about subscribing because I come out with other random videos like this from time to time. And thanks for watching. Sit. Shake. Sadie, shake. Shake. Good girl.